Boy shot among friends in Portmore home in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Sh0t TV. Let's talk. The prevalence of firearms and how individuals, especially at a tender age, is getting them in their hands is a cause for concern. And this situation that I'm about to talk about took place in Portmore, St. Catherine, in which an individual was shot by another who is said to be a friend at a home in Portmore, St. Catherine. Now, we're going to bring you up to date as it relates to this story. So, detectives assigned to the Portmore police in St. Catherine are probing the death of a 16-year-old individual who goes by the name Jordan Morrison of Caribbean Estate in the parish on Friday, October 30. The teen died from a gunshot wound he received in the community. According to reports are that around 6:30 p.m., Jordan and four other boys were at a house in the community when a firearm was discharged and Jordan was shot. He was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital but later succumbed to his injuries, we are told. So according to this, the firearm is said to be reportedly belonging to one of the other boys' relative that was at the location, and I can tell you that this situation has left a shock on a grief-stricken family at this current time. But with this said, it just goes to show that if you have a licensed firearm, you have to put it in a proper and safe manner, because we're not sure whether or not this firearm was left out for these individuals to have had access to it, or they knew where the individual kept his firearm, whichever way it goes, that the firearm was in their possession at the time of this unfortunate situation. And sad to say, the firearm went off and hit one of the individuals who is just 16 years old, and he did not survive this ordeal, and he was just one of those individuals that could have been avoid the whole entire situation. And when we look on how this situation has played out, it's one of those situations that young boys really need to know that firearm is not a plaything. And when it comes down to firearm and ammunition and gun, these things are very serious, and these are not things that you're supposed to be playing with. Now, what transpired here in this section of the island has left a family in shock and a community in mourning. And we just wanted us to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends of this individual who was just 16 years old, would have been in school at this current time. And it's very sad to even report on such a situation with all that is going on and with the onset of the whole pandemic. And with this news right now, it's very sad. We just hope that the family just find the strength to just cope during this difficult time, and that they can find some level of normalcy in the near future. We'll keep you up to date with this one though. This has been Sh0t TV. Let's talk, and I'm out for this one. Have a blessed and productive day.